So OnePlus has rolled out a new update for the OnePlus Launcher, which comes with a great number of customizations. Today, I will take you through new features available in this update. Although this new update is not officially available on the Play Store, it will be made available soon enough, but you can always sideload it. The only thing to make sure is that your device should run Android 10. Now talking about the launcher, long pressing on the home screen will take you to different settings that are available. When you click on the About section, you can see the changelog that is available in this update. Now talking about the launcher settings, you won't see much of a change from the previous version, but there are many new features added to it. When you click on the launcher layout, you get an option to keep the app drawer or just remove it altogether. If you click on home screen only, you lose the app drawer and only get the apps directly on the pages on your home screen. There is also a new gesture to quickly access hidden space for the ones who need it. The old way is from the app drawer, just swipe right and you can access the hidden space. The new way to open hidden space is to swipe outwards on the home screen and you will directly be taken to the hidden space. Another new feature is that there are navigation icons available for recent apps to access them quickly. So now, whenever you open the Recents app, you can now see the app icon available on the bottom, by which you can easily access the app. The next feature is addition of shortcut to access quick search in the app drawer. Previously, we could only use the search icon available on the top of the app drawer, but now with just a single swipe, you can access the app search. Now if you want to directly trigger the app search, there is a setting available for it as well. In the settings menu, click on drawer, select quick search and save the settings. Now when you swipe up, you will only get the quick search option. So these are a handful of new features that OnePlus has added to enhance the experience on your devices. If you stuck around till the end, I hope that you can subscribe as well. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you very soon.